Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the unboxing of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So I'm going to start off by removing the top lid. Okay, so once that's removed, you are presented with the phone, and there is a flap sticking out on the side, and I'll remove the phone carefully and put it aside for a while. Okay, so let's see what we've got in the box. Okay, so just underneath this tray we've got the SIM ejector toolbox, and inside there, yes, we have the gel case or the TPU case and a quick start guide. So there's not a lot of illustration here as other phones like the OnePlus 6. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. And then we have the case here, and again, really appreciate them including the case as I don't want the phone to get damaged in any way. Okay, so here we have the USB Type A to USB Type C data cable. And then we have a USB Type C earphones. So that's very nice of them to include. And then we have a headphone jack to USB Type C, so you can use your existing headphones. And lastly, we have the supercharger, which charges at 40 watts, and it is said that it will charge this phone 70% in 30 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much the contents here. Moving on to the phone, I'll show you the in-screen fingerprint reader. As you can see, that unlocked. So I'll switch off the screen and you can see the icon there. Once again, it unlocks. This is Huawei's second phone with the in-screen fingerprint reader, and we'll also be seeing that in the OnePlus 6T. So here is a side-by-side comparison with the Xiaomi Mi 8. Now the Mi 8 is slightly wider than the Mate 20 Pro, whereas the Mate 20 Pro is slightly taller, and the notch you can see is smaller on the Mate 20 Pro. So let's have a quick look at the settings. As Huawei did say, it is about 20% less cluttered than version 8. So let's go into the settings, then about phone. And as you can see here, it is on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, and EMUI happens to also be on version 9. Okay, so let's just have a look at the side. So we have a red color accent power button, which is a nice touch. They probably copied that from the Pixel and the OnePlus 6. On the top you have the IR blaster, which is back. Good to have. On the left side there is nothing there. And at the bottom, there is no speaker grill here. And that's because it is in the USB Type-C port. Yes, that is right. The speaker is in the USB Type-C port. So the front speaker and the bottom will give you the stereo sound. On the left is the SIM tray, and it also houses Huawei's new nano memory card. Now at the back you have the triple camera setup, and it's bang in the middle with the flash on the top left. Here is the TPU case, and personally I like using it, and I will put it on now as I don't want it to get damaged in any way. And it's not really protecting it from a straight fall as it is flush with the curve, so you have to be careful with that, or you can buy a different case. So yeah, it is a snug fit. So that does it for this quick unboxing. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. There will be camera and speed test comparison with the Mi 8, the Pixel 3, OnePlus 6T, iPhone XS Max, and what other phones I can get my hands on. So do hit that bell notification. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.